జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 307th నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. ఓం సహస్రజితే నమః. హో శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, I realize that for thousands of eras, for thousands of yugas, until the last part of Kalpam, you will be resting on that Vatapatram, on that leaf, but you always will be having all your supremacy and all your powers over there. Like that, you will be taking care of the entire universe, entire creation, resting on that leaf for thousands of eras with all your supremacy and with all your divine qualities. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Sahasrajite Namaha. Om Sahasrajite Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana, Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, after Bharata started noticing Sri Ramachandra Swami from a distance, Bharata, after realizing that Ramachandra Swami is looking like a person who is doing tapasya, then Bharata started running towards Ramachandra Swami. Bharata got so much shocked to see Ramachandra Swami who is looking like a Muni, Rishi. Bharata could not bear that, could not suppress his grief anymore. Vilalapa arto bashpa sandigdhaya gira. The grief is coming out spontaneously, outpouring grief is coming out, and he was unable to even speak a word. But Bharata, slowly controlling himself, started to share his grief with Shatrughna and all others. Oh Shatrughna, look at that Ramachandra Swami. When our Rama used to be in the assembly in the kingdom, all people, all the assembly people, including all the Maharshis, used to respect our Rama. Now such Ramachandra Swami is sitting here in the forest. Now Vanya Mrugaihi Vanyaihi Upasinaha. In this forest, only the animals are now respecting our Rama. O Shatrughna, our Rama used to wear such a costliest garments all the time. Now look at that. Our Rama is wearing Krishnajinam. O Shatrughna, our Rama used to follow all kind of righteousness according to our scriptures while performing yajnas and yagas. Such Ramachandra Swami, look at that. He is now troubling himself in this dense forest, and yet he is not at all giving up the righteousness. Sharira klesa sambhutam, while torturing his own body, he is still performing and observing all the righteousness. O Shatrughna, Chandanena Maharhena Yasyangam Upasevitam. Our Ramachandra Swami used to be decorated with so many wonderful perfumes and so many fragrances. Such Ramachandra Swami's body, look at that. It is all mud is all over the body. Look at that Rama's body. O Shatrughna, man nimittam idam dukkham praptaha. Just because of me, Rama is going through so many pains, Shatrughna. This is my disgusting life. I am myself is disgusted about myself. Like that, Bharata is crying a lot. Even Rama is not at all close, but Rama is little bit away from Bharata. Just before reaching Rama itself, Bharata, with all that kind of grief, papata Bharato rudan, he just fell on the floor. From there itself, while looking at Rama, Bharata is saying that, oh my dear brother, slowly he could say, because he was unable to speak. He just said a single word, Arya, Rama, Anna, something like that, and then he was unable to speak anymore. His eyes are filled up with tears. His throat is completely blocked. He was unable to speak. Again, Prekshya Ramam Yasasvinam. He is looking at Rama. Again, he tried to speak a word, saying that, oh my dear respected Rama, oh Pujyuda, something like that he spoke, and again he was unable to speak anymore. Even Shatrughnaschaapi Ramasya, Shatrughna also going through the same situation. Both of them, Shatrughna and Bharata, Vavande Charanau Rudan. Finally they reached and they fell on Ramachandra Swami's divine feet and started crying a lot, Bharata and Shatrughna. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 33rd sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Yugadikrit Yugavarto Naikamayo Mahasanaha Adrusyo Vyaktarupascha Sahasrajit Anantajit Om. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Sahasrajite Namaha. Om Sahasrajite Namaha. Om Sahasrajite Namaha.